All right, for IXL, we use this for practice, in-class and out-of-class independent work. Students are expected to complete 15 ELA questions and 15 math problems every week, but I would like to challenge students to practice at least 2 math skills and 2 ELA skills until they get to that SMART score of 80. I want to show you how to log in and then kind of how to navigate the site because we do use it for multiple purposes. First, you're going to assign your student in using that link that I provided. The student's login is just their first initial and last name with this @CitizensWorldKC. So when I sign in, everyone's password is CWCK2020. Go ahead and click this remember button. That will just keep your students logged in, preventing them from having to sign in and possibly type something incorrectly or maybe cause some frustration. All right, now that you're signed in, you'll see welcome in your student's name. Go ahead and go up to the top and bookmark this bar by hitting the blue star. And you can change this to just IXL and save it. You'll see it then come up on the bookmark bar for your student. That will help them in class and when they're doing their homework to independently find the site. Okay, your landing page is called Learning and it's your recommendations. Based on your current grade level, all of these boxes will pop up with different suggestions. This is where your student will practice. So when they do those 15 questions, these are the different practice skills. You'll hover over something, you'll notice it says try this. And then it'll take you to a practice skill. A few things I want you to notice here. One, on the right side, it says questions answered in SMART score. SMART score is not a percentage like a typical grade. What a SMART score is, it tells us where the student is at with mastery. We want a student to get to an 80 or above because 80 shows proficiency and then 90 and 100 shows mastery. So your student will answer questions, complete the sentence with the correct form of the verb. These geese have blank here all the way from Canada. And when they get that answer correct, they will get 10 points. When they get that question incorrect, their score will go down by 1 to 5 points. And then this site will explain what they need to do. That is the recommendations and the practice area of IXL. Now I want to shift into the arena. Once a month, we have Arena Week, where we go into a diagnostic tool where your students are assessed to see their growth. To get there, you're going to click the Diagnostic tab. And then you're going to click Step into the Arena. Underneath there, you see your students' current levels. And step into the arena. Now you'll want to answer questions in this arena until a pop-up comes up saying, congratulations, you've pinpointed. It could take 30 to 45 questions, depending on where your student's at, depending on how many questions are right or wrong. When you're done, your student's diagnostic should look just like Dessa's here. See how all of the bars have stars at the end. That means she has pinpointed all of her levels, which makes sense because we did just finish our Arena Week. Now, if you're curious, what do the levels mean and how can I help my students' levels grow? You can click right here for the Diagnostic Action Plan. This will tell you exactly what skills your student has gaps in and where they should be practicing. From this tab, you can go in and click any of these links to different skills they need to practice. So that's a handy tool as a parent. If you're curious, what is my student showing a lot of strength or growth in? And my student seems really stuck here. What should they practice? That will help. As always, we bookmark this tab up at the top. I think I already went over that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.